Here we're installing fat ass rear banner on this beautiful Ultima bag, by the way. I'll have him air out later on in the video. But just a tutorial showing you guys, you know, how to put it on or how I install the rear banner. So you guys don't mess it up. Gotta watch out for those, because those like the ankle snatchers right there. All right, so first thing I do is line up the banner, get a tape down the middle, and I started taping this side because basically the technique I'm gonna use, I'm gonna start taking the backing off from this side and squeegee that side down. And then once that's down, I do the same thing on this side. So I'm gonna tape everything down here right on this side so it stays nice and secure. And then I'll start laying it from the right side this way. All right, so what I'm doing now is peeling the decal up from the backing paper, and I'm gonna cut that off and just start squeegeeing. There might be other techniques, but this is what I find best for me, and that's what we're gonna go with. All right, just like that. Basically start squeegeeing back that way. Slowly, so you wanna do it even. So squeegee from the bottom to the top, slowly. So you don't wanna, there's no rush when you're putting these on, because literally one mistake and the whole thing is ruined. You want to slowly, top to bottom, bottom back to the top. Ease it. Ease it. Just like that, one side is done. So once that side is laid, remove all my tape from this side. Remove the backing from here. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the backing.
Okay, go.
From here, like I said, we're doing the other side. Get the backing off, and then we just squeegee back to the other side. Take her home, take her home. Top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top. I'll be repping slaughterhouse and I'm running from the cops. Yeah, don't do that. Don't run from the cops.
No.
And show the people those pipes. Those got warranty on them?
Nope.
Took my ankle out a couple times. Alright, almost home. And go. So from here, just squeegee everything, make sure everything is nice and firm. Nothing coming back up when we peel it. Nothing at all. Here you can just pick a side. Got a couple of different pieces, so makes it easier. Get the middle out the way. Now pick a corner. You want to do it slow, firm pull. No rush. None of this process requires rushing. So if you guys have a car meet to go to or something, reconsider putting on a really big banner, because you cannot rush it. If you want it to be perfect, you cannot rush it at all. And here you go. It's applied and on there. Of course, we're gonna finish them off with some grills, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have the grills. Johnny Dang Who. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Yes, sir. Hear it out one time for the gram. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Life is too short to live somebody else's dreams. You hear me? And y'all know who did that. Yes, sir.